Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Tether from Phantom Wallet to Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securely moving your assets like Tether, USDT, is crucial for protecting your investments. This guide is straightforward, designed for beginners, and will take you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, ensure you're all set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet connected via USB or Bluetooth. Make sure your Ledger is unlocked and updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. Security is key in crypto. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app and navigate to your Tether, USDT, balance. This is usually under your Assets or Portfolio section. Double-check that you have enough USDT to cover the transaction fees. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Withdraw button for your Tether. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient address. Now, switch to your Ledger Nano X. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer. Select your Ethereum account, since USDT is an ERC20 token, and copy the wallet address displayed on your device for extra security. Step 3. Paste the Ledger address into the recipient field in Phantom Wallet. Enter the amount of Tether you want to withdraw, review the transaction details like fees and network. It should be Ethereum, and hit Next. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Phantom app. Then, on your Ledger Nano X, you'll see a prompt to approve the transfer. Carefully verify the details on the screen before confirming with your device buttons. Step 5. Sit tight. The transaction will process on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes. Once confirmed, check your Ledger Nano X in Ledger Live to see your Tether safely transferred. A quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and double-check addresses to avoid scams. In 2025, with advanced threats, enable two-factor authentication everywhere. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Tether from Phantom to Ledger Nano X. This method keeps your funds secure and gives you peace of mind. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.